Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing KLWP, Custom Live Wallpaper, and KLCK if needed. Those are the tools that let you make a truly transparent wallpaper. Once installed, give the app storage and drawover permissions so you can access images and preview in real time. Now import a transparent PNG or plan to set the background layer alpha to 0. This is the first actionable step, because stock launchers cannot produce true transparency without a live wallpaper host. You now build the preset, open KLWP, create a new preset, and match the canvas to your device resolution so things align perfectly. Add a background item and set its paint or global alpha to 0. This makes the wallpaper effectively transparent while keeping KLWP active. Then add any widgets or PNG elements you want on top as separate layers. Lock their positions and use profiling to ensure low battery use. Once done, save the preset before you switch wallpapers. Apply the KLWP preset as your system wallpaper and confirm the live wallpaper is active. You should see your home screen behind widgets with no opaque backdrop. If your launcher still paints a solid background behind icons, switch to a launcher that supports transparent wallpapers or enable its transparency options. Nova Launcher and Launcher work reliably. If the effect breaks after an update or reboot, reopen KLWP, resave the preset, and clear the app cache to force a clean reload. This fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.